To fix a Lenovo laptop that won't turn off, it's essential to first identify the possible causes, which can include sleep mode issues, battery problems, or software glitches. To remedy these issues, start by shutting down the laptop. If it's stuck in sleep mode, try initiating a forced shutdown by holding the power button for at least 10 seconds. If this doesn't work, disconnect the laptop from the charger. Remove the battery if possible, and wait for a while before replacing it and reconnecting to power. Then, try turning on the laptop and switching it off again. If the issue persists, check for software updates, as ensuring the laptop is up to date can help solve glitches that prevent it from shutting down. Check the manufacturer's support website for updates. If updating the software doesn't resolve the issue, or the device is already up to date, consider resetting the laptop's BIOS to its original configuration, which can help resolve the problem. If none of these troubleshooting steps work, it may be necessary to consult a professional repair service to fix the laptop. By following these steps, you should be able to fix a Lenovo laptop that won't turn off.